Okay, so here we have our leg extension machine. For this piece of equipment, we have two main points of adjustment. The first one is going to be at the point of flexion and extension of the knee joint, okay? If you pull this lever and you put it to a setting 3, it pushes the machine away from your body, so you'll have less range of motion under tension. I want to have the most amount of range of motion under tension, so I'm going to bring it all the way in and leave it at 1 o'clock. So when I go down into my body, I will still feel the weight. The second point is your backrest. Your backrest is right here, okay? You're gonna pull it and move it up, okay? Or move it back. I'm a bigger guy, so I'm gonna move it back slightly. All right? The last one is obviously your weight adjustment. All these Atlantis machines tend to have an additional 5 pounds that you can release or put away, okay? As you notice, our stacks are 15 pounds increments. So these 5 additional pounders allow you to adjust that increment to a smaller number. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and slide into the machine. One leg in first, second leg in second, okay? So, to execute the movement, properly, what I want to do is make sure I take my knee, my legs from a knee flex position to a knee extended position, okay? I know that I have a good backrest because my knees are in line with the pivot point. So breathing in on the way down, exhaling on the way up. Nice and controlled.